G'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making a flourless chocolate chip cookie and it's actually vegan. There's no dairy and no eggs in it. What keeps it together is the almond butter and the flaxseed. So we're going to start with some almond butter, or you could use any nut butter. Then we're going to add some flaxseed, great fiber. We're going to add some coconut sugar. And we're going to add a little bit of vanilla. I'm going to mix that up together. Then we're going to add some chocolate chunks. Mix that together. Just put some chocolate on the top. I'm going to pop them in the oven and I'll come back and show you what they look like. I cooked them and I baked them. A little note here, I had to remake them because the almond butter I used was way too runny. You want a really thick, crunchy nut butter. I made them again with peanut butter and they look gorgeous. So just remember, make them with a really thick nut butter. You don't want a thin one. And there you have it. You have a flourless chocolate chip cookie. Enjoy.